Well, we got company today. What do you say, John?
Pretty good. How you doing, Joe?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. Good to see it's windy today.
What do you say, Hugh?
Nothing much.
Come on in the barn here. I got somebody I want you guys to meet. This is Kelly Turner from DOD TV and the Drury Brothers, and that's my neighbor John and Hugh.
Hi, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Hugh.
Hugh. Nice to meet you, brother. You deer hunters?
He is.
He is. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back and welcome to our newer viewers. We appreciate you being on board. If you've been with us a while, you'll know that my next door neighbor, John, he used to be a firefighter and became paralyzed, and his son Hugh really is into deer hunting, and John obviously likes deer hunting as well, and so do I. So all three of us were pretty privileged to meet Kelly Turner kind of through a fortuitous event. But I recently found out that Kelly lives actually fairly close to where we do here in Southern Illinois, and he owns land here. So he came out so I can give him a tour of our farm, and John and Hugh were able to meet him and get some inside information from Kelly. And I'm going to do a one-on-one interview here while we do a property tour of our farm, which will probably be in two parts, but it was really interesting, really fun, and we'll go check out our farm and pick his brain on ideas and so forth. So let's get into it. Hope I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.
Like if I didn't, I wouldn't know. I didn't know if you was killed somebody like that. You're used to it. It didn't bother you.
Oh, that was perfect.
Stone deep behind.
No, that hit like the...
And you got this one?
Yeah.
Wow. Is this Illinois or what state?
Illinois.
Wow. 200 plus, man. That's a dandy. What else you got in there? Hey guys, Kapper here. We got a special guest today, Kelly Turner, who does hunting shows from Drury Outdoors, among others. What do you say, Kelly?
How are you?
Good. Thanks for coming to the farm, man. I appreciate it. What kind of shows are you on? Can you tell us?
I'm with Drury Outdoors. I've been on the Critical Mass show that's on the Outdoor Channel since it started, so about 4 years ago. So. Well, here we are. It's the end of October. We're coming up on my favorite month of the year, Sweet November.
And them are on like cable TV channels?
Yes, yes.
The Outdoor Channel,
Outdoor
I think?
Channel.
Oh, fantastic. All right, well, we're going to take a ride around the farm, and he's going to show us some of his pictures. And
My rut vacation starts in a few days. I'm looking so forward to this year. I'm hunting mainly my home state of Illinois. We get 2 buck tags as a resident, and then I've also got a tag for Kentucky. So we'll see how Illinois goes, switch over to Kentucky.
any words of wisdom that you might be able to share for young hunters wanting to get into it?
Just stick with it, hunt smart, not hard. There's no need to hunt every day. You just hunt when conditions are right. And our DeerCast app will help you with that. Really, really pay attention. It shows barometric pressure, wind direction, and if it says good and it says great, you better be in the tree.
So is that stuff, I mean, a lot of people kind of have doubts in some of those things, like you just said, the pressure and the moon phase. Is that stuff legit? Do you go by that?
We've got a bunch of good deer to hunt in Illinois this year. Rut vacation, we're hoping for a good one. I mean, as far as the moon phase goes, a lot of people really believe in that. I mean, I do to a certain point, but I feel like weather is the most important factor, period. I mean, any temperature drop, I mean, if you have 4 or 5 north winds and it switches to south, that's a good day too. So if you just hunted cold fronts the whole season, your north and northwest winds, you'll have a good season.
Is that the same one?
Yeah, same buck.
And are most of these all on hunting shows?
No, neither. That was before I started the filming.
Okay.
Doing some spring cleaning, so
Oh,
that's
wow.
the 205, and this one's 203.
The one on the left?
Yes.
Wow, what a stud, man. Holy cows. Whoa, wait. Time out. Kelly, come on. I mean, we got this new kind of friendship going. Can I come and hunt some of your spots? Nice.
Okay, the rut vacation's not starting off how we wanted it to. We've had some good encounters with some younger bucks, just not quite the age class we're looking for. So we're gonna keep grinding it out, and hopefully the big boys will get on their feet soon.
So yeah, we flip farms, you know, we live on them, we buy something with 10, 15, 20 acres.
Yeah.
And it'd be a junk house, a rehab, so we'd live there for a year or two, The wife would mostly rehab the house or whatever it was, and I'd do the outside work, like set it up for deer hunt.
Yeah.
So I'd put in the deer towers and food plots and all that. And then we'd flip that and make maybe 10 grand or 15.
Yeah.
And finally work our way up to a place that we could build a house on. I owed her a house for her putting up with me just to get the land all them years, you know. All right, so this is the plot I want to set up on, okay? So the thermals go like this in the evening, and they may curve a little, but it looked like they go straight. So
Have you always done it in this area around here? Or?
well, we were looking at between the four corners, kind of.
Yeah.
Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee. This was actually a fluke, only because of her job. We ended up in Illinois.
Oh. What does she do?
She's a nurse.
Yeah, that's what my wife is.
Yeah, she's in the office setting now, though. But yeah, but it's been just a long road. We've had like 2 or 3 different Kentucky farms. We've had several Missouri farms, and just.
We received some bad news that 2 of the main target bucks that I was after that I've been hunting so hard, both of them have been harvested. We've been focusing on these 2 bucks in particular. They're gone, so we got to check them off the list and move on to the other side.
We finally got to a point where we could afford. I mean, you know, you probably know how it is with buying land.
Oh yeah.
It ain't cheap, and then you need a minimum of 20% down. So this center used to be, this was like 30 acres of field, and I'm converting like 15 of it into cover, new cover.
Yeah.
So it's natural regen mixed with warm season grasses. I'm breaking up this field in the areas. I did corn this year, and I failed on the corn.
There was a lot of people that did.
I didn't keep up with it, and the deer, you know, we got so many deer and critters here. I need to wax some does. There ain't no doubt about it.
I do too. I really need to a lot. I don't know. I just don't like killing anything in my good spots. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I need a spot where I can just go close to the road or close to the house and shoot does, but I need does going on my farm where I hunt big deer. Bam. Here we go. It's the last afternoon of first shotgun season in Illinois. We're still excited. We're seeing bucks like crazy, just not the right bucks. We was hunting on the other side of this farm and had 2 of the bucks we were after got killed in the last few days. So we come to the other side. We hunted here this morning, just kind of a scouting mission, and saw several.
There's some turkeys there.
Oh yeah.
So I planted loblollies also in areas that I wanted a little more cover mixed in.
Yeah.
Normally I'm only using the electric at this time of year, but I'm so far behind that ain't even funny, man.
I am too. That's high. My food plots are bad.
I've got overflow plots, you know, all over that I don't usually even hunt.
Right.
This one, I haven't hunted this one for years. It's mostly a doe plot here, but during the rut, some bucks will come through chasing them. I mean, we've got so many, because I'm pulling deer in from every direction. We have so many different doe groups. We gotta fix that water hole. I think I got like 6 watering holes around the property also.
Several deer over here, so there's hot does over here. There were small bucks chasing them, so hopefully a big buck has moved in throughout the day. Deer have been moving like crazy. We've still got a pretty long walk, but hey, it's just noon. We got in here pretty early, so we're gonna slip down here and try to find us a spot to set up on the ground.